So what does a properly designed whole home Wi-Fi blanket actually cost? The honest answer is, it depends, but we can give you a realistic range. For many homes that already have adequate wiring in place, a typical setup with a quality router, 2 Wi-Fi access points, and installation usually lands around $1,600. Larger homes, or homes that need additional access points, can be closer to $4,000 or more. Many factors come into play. Things like, are we installing a modern Wi-Fi 7 solution or a more cost-conscious Wi-Fi 6 system? What's the internet speed you subscribe to? Is there existing wiring that can be utilized, or do we need to run new cables? How many access points will we need to provide full coverage? Are there additional areas that need coverage, such as the backyard fire pit or the pool? Every house is a little different. That's why the best way to give an accurate answer is to look at the layout of the home, understand what wiring already exists, and design a system that delivers the speed you're actually paying for. When it's a properly designed solution, the result is simple. Your digital home just works. And that's exactly what we help our customers with every single day.